The Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum, Model 3437F. The perfect solution for anyone living in apartments or dorms. With a lightweight design weighing just 10.9 pounds, it's easy to move around your home without any hassle. Despite its compact size, this vacuum offers full-size power, ensuring powerful suction that makes cleaning a breeze. Plus, with scatter-free technology, it captures messes on hard floors with less scatter, making cleanup even easier. It's built to last with durable materials and is proudly made in the USA. Rated 4.3 out of 5 stars by over 5,818 customers, this vacuum is praised for its effective suction and compact design. And with every purchase, Bissell supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets. The Ulike Air 3 Ice Cooling IPL device, a cutting-edge hair removal gadget designed for both women and men. With 3 advanced modes and auto-flashing, it ensures fast, full-body hair removal from the comfort of your home. Made by the trusted Ulike brand, this device features ice cooling technology to make hair removal nearly painless. The patented cooling touch keeps your skin at a soothing 67 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a comfortable experience every time. Weighing only 4 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle. Manufactured in China, this device is available for Just. Users love the long-lasting results that show up in just 3 weeks of use. Say goodbye to costly salon visits, wax strips, and razors. The Ulike Air 3 gives you safe, effective hair removal at home, making it a smart, one-time investment. Perfect as a gift for any occasion. The LOHAS LED Night Lights, Model GY10702 US from LOHAS LED. These stylish plastic nightlights are perfect for adding convenience and comfort to your home. With an average 4.5 out of 5 stars from 443 ratings, they're loved for their 3-level brightness settings, 30, 60, and 100 LM, allowing you to customize the lighting based on your needs. These nightlights feature an auto-sensing dusk-to-dawn sensor, so they turn on when the room gets dark and off when there's enough light. The sleek black cylindrical design ensures they won't block the bottom outlet, keeping your space functional and tidy. At only 1 watt of power consumption, these lights help save on electricity bills and are an eco-friendly choice. Perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, hallways, or kids' rooms, these nightlights create a warm, inviting atmosphere while being safe, reliable, and energy efficient. Introducing the Vopul's Vopul 4K Projector, your gateway to a cinematic experience at home or outdoors. With an official Netflix license, enjoy over 1 million-plus movies and shows instantly. The AI autofocus and 6D keystone correction ensure a crystal-clear, perfectly aligned image in just 3 seconds, while the 180-degree rotatable stand allows flexible placement anywhere. Experience immersive Dolby audio with built-in hi-fi stereo speakers and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, making it perfect for movies, gaming, and even standalone music playback. The dual-band 2.4 GHz/5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures zero-latency streaming, ideal for PS5, Xbox, and Switch gaming. With native 1080p resolution, 600 ANI brightness, and 4K support, every detail is sharper, brighter, and more vibrant. 4.5-star rating from 868 reviews. This projector is the ultimate entertainment upgrade for any setting. The TOMLOV DM9 7-inch LCD digital microscope, a versatile tool designed for exploration and precision. Weighing just 2.11 pounds, this lightweight yet sturdy microscope is crafted with a durable aluminum alloy base for stability during use. With a powerful 5x1/200x magnification, you can zoom in to reveal incredible detail, perfect for coin inspection, soldering, and even rock examination. Its 7-inch rotatable FHD screen offers crystal-clear 1080p imaging, reducing eye strain and improving comfort. Plus, the included 32GB SD card lets you easily capture and store high-resolution photos and videos. Compatible with both Windows and macOS, you can connect it to your PC for an even larger view. Praised by users with AA, ideal for adults, students, and hobbyists alike. Discover the world in incredible detail with TOMLOV. Meet the Dreo Tower Fan. Model DR-HTF009, your ultimate summer cooling solution. Crafted with durable plastic, this sleek and modern fan is designed to keep you cool without the noise. Weighing just 9.66 pounds, it's lightweight yet powerful. With an impressive 28 feet per second wind speed and 1,076 cubic feet per minute air volume, the Dreo Tower Fan delivers powerful cooling performance, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Its 90-degree oscillation ensures even air distribution across your space. Worried about noise? The Dreo Tower Fan operates at just 25 decibels thanks to turbo silent technology, quieter than a whisper. Plus, with 9 speed settings and 4 modes, you're in complete control. The intelligent temperature sensor adapts wind speeds for optimal comfort. 4.6-star rating from over 17,000 satisfied customers. Stay cool and comfortable all summer long.